The C Programming Language, second edition, book by Kernighan and Ritchie, will be looking into the preface to the first edition. C is a general-purpose programming language which features economy of expression, modern control flow and data structures, and a rich set of operators. C is not a very high-level language nor a big one, and it is not specialized in any particular area of application. But its absence of restrictions and its generality make it more convenient and effective for many tasks than supposedly more powerful languages. C was originally designed for and implemented on the Unix operating system on the DC PDP 11 by Dennis Ritchie. So we have the history of C coming up where C was originally designed for and implemented on the Unix operating system, which was on the hardware DC by Dennis Ritchie. The operating system, the C compiler, and essentially all Unix applications, programs, including all the software used to prepare this book, are written in C. The production compilers also exist for several other machines, including the IBM system, the Honeywell 6000, and the Interdata. C is not tied to any particular hardware or system, however, and it is easy to write programs that will run without change on any machine that supports C. So we have the computer hardware, and for this the compilers are written, and these compilers compile the C program written for any particular machine. Originally, the C programs were written on DC PDP hardware and which ran on Unix operating system. But then C is a mission independent language, so it would the same program, which means the same program which would run on any other hardware. This book is meant to help the reader learn how to program in C. So the main objective of the book, learn how to program in C. It contains a tutorial introduction to get new users started as soon as possible, separate chapters on each major feature, and a reference manual. Most of the treatment is based on reading, writing, and revising examples rather than mere statement of rules. For the most part, the examples are complete real programs rather than isolated fragments. All examples have been tested directly from the text, which is in mission readable form. Besides showing how to make effective use of the language, we have also tried where possible to illustrate useful algorithms and principles of good style and sound design. The book is not an introductory programming manual. It assumes some familiarity with basic programming concepts like variables, assignment statements, loops, and functions. Nonetheless, a novice programmer should be able to read along and pick up the language, although access to a more knowledgeable colleague will help. In our experience, C has proven to be a pleasant, expressive, versatile language for a wide variety of programs. It is easy to learn. C is easy to learn, wears well with one's experience with it. It is easy to learn and it wears well as one's experience with it grows. We hope that this book will help you use it well. Then we have the acknowledgements and we end with Brannon, Kernighan and Ritchie signature.